Hi, Jonathan. It's Miss Brennan. I'm going to be doing your handwriting with you today. So the letter that we're going to start with is the letter M. And I picked this one because I miss you so very much. And Miss starts with the letter M. You're going to start by writing your name. So write Jonathan, all right, buddy? And then when you finish writing your name, you're going to come here and we're going to build the letter M. You're always going to start at the top and just trace with your finger a big line down and then stop. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump up, big line. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump up, big line, and now we finally got to the actual letter M, so it's a big line down, frog jump up, big line, stop. Now we get to write the letter M, so you're going to start at the top, start at the number 1, big line down, frog jump up, big line. Now remember, it's really important that your lines touch at the top. We don't want an empty space, so we don't want a big line down, frog jump up, big line. We want those to be touching at the top. So instead of that, we want big line down, frog jump up, big line, M. Big line down, frog jump up, big line. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump up, big line. Awesome. Now these 4 down here, you're going to do all by yourself. So remember, it's a big line down, frog jump up, big line. Go ahead, Jonathan. Awesome. When you're all done with that, you're going to come down here and it says find the letter M. So they have the uppercase M, but we also want to find lowercase m, and we'll write that on the next page. So go ahead and look through each letter and see if it's M. Is this an M? Yeah. So go ahead and color that M. Is this an M? No, that's F. Is this an M? Yeah, that's M, so go ahead and color that one. Is this an M? No. Is this an M? Yeah. Jonathan, you can go ahead and pause the video and finish the rest of the M's. And then when you're all done, you're going to turn the page, okay, bud? Awesome job. Perfect. So again, you're going to start by writing your name at the top, and then come down here and we're going to write our lowercase m. With our lowercase m, again, we still start at the top. We always start at the top. And a big line down, up and over. Sorry, buddy. Not a big line. It's a small line, little line down, up and over, back down, up and over, back down. All right, I'll try that one again. Start at the star, little line down, up and over, back down, up and over, back down. Start at the top. Big line down. Sorry, Jonathan. A little line down. Up and over, go back down. Up and over, go back down. Start at the top. Little line down. Up and over, back down. Up and over, back down. Little line down. Up and over, back down. Up and over, back down. Little line down. Up and over, back down. Up and over, back down. I'm going to let you go down here and write the lowercase m all by yourself. Every single star that you see, that's where you start at the top and make a little line down. Up and over, back down. Up and over, back down. So you're going to start at every single star. Okay, buddy? Go ahead and get to writing. And remember, if you make a mistake, it's no big deal, little problem. Just erase it and try again. All right, awesome job, Jonathan. Now when you're all finished, we're gonna write a lowercase m again, just this time a little bit bigger. So you're gonna start at the number 1, always start at the top, little line down, up and over, back down, up and over, back down. Start at the top, little line down, up and over, back down, up and over, back down. Go ahead and do those next two all by yourself, and then we're going to come down here. Awesome job. So this says circle the M. Notice they have an uppercase M that you can circle or a lowercase m that you can circle. So look at this letter. Is that an M? Nope, that's an E, so we're going to leave it alone. Is this an M? Yeah, it is. So go ahead and circle that one. Is this an M? No, that's a T. So again, leave it alone. Is this an M? Yeah. So go ahead and circle that one. And now again, I'm going to let you do those on your own. So find some more M's and circle them. And again, if it's not an M, just leave it alone. Perfect job, Jonathan. Now, when you are all done circling M's, we're going to come to this box and it says, color the words that begin with M. M makes the sound. So we're looking for words that start. The first sound you hear is So this is a magnet. Magnet. Does magnet start with If you think it does, then go ahead and color it. When you're done coloring the magnet, we're going to go to monkey. Monkey. Does a monkey start with M? If you think it does, color the monkey. And then come to the bear. 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 Does bear start with If it does start with then color. If it does not start with then go to the next one. This is a mermaid. Mermaid. Does a mermaid start with M? If you think the mermaid does, color her in. And then you're all done with this page. Great job, bud. The next page that we're going to do is one that you're going to do by yourself. So we have uppercase M and lowercase m. Again, always start by writing your name. So write Jonathan. And then with M, we're going to start at the star because we start at the top. For capital, uppercase M, we make a big line down. Frog, jump up. Big line, big line, big line, stop. So you're going to do the rest of those M's and then continue on in the blank boxes down here, starting always at the top with the star. When you're all done with uppercase M, you're going to do a lowercase m. Again, you're going to start at the top, start at the star, little line down, up and over, back down, up and over, back down. When you finish both your uppercase and lowercase m, you're all done, Jonathan. Great job. I'm so proud of you. I miss you, and I hope that you're doing well, buddy.